Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 19th to March 3rd. First, I want to talk about a couple systems here. Here goes the first system out to sea. To the south, we have snow across Virginia and rain across the Carolinas. And then we'll have a next system that will be affecting the east. And we'll go here. Here's the system right here. This is 1 a.m. Sunday. We go to 10 a.m. Sunday. You can see we have snow moving into parts of the Midwest, rain across the Tennessee Valley, and then we go to 4 p.m. Sunday, and you can see we have snow moving into western Pennsylvania, western New York, and we have ice here from western Pennsylvania into parts of the Midwest, rain to the south. And then we go to 10 p.m. Sunday. 10 p.m. Sunday, and now we have snow across the Mid-Atlantic, still ice across south central Pennsylvania, rain to the south, and the snow stretches all the way out here to the Rockies. And then we go to 1 a.m. Monday, and we start getting some mixing, maybe changing to rain. And then 7 p.m. Monday, it's raining, because the low comes right over the Mid-Atlantic, and then it moves out. Now, we look at the operational GFS, and you can see, we'll go to 1 p.m. Sunday. It's starting to move into parts of the Mid-Atlantic. We have ice. Then we go to 1 a.m. Monday, and you can see we have snow here, ice across parts of Pennsylvania, rain to the south. Here's the low. It's not fairly strong. And then we go to 7 a.m. Monday. It's still kind of snowing across central New Jersey, most of Pennsylvania. And then we have rain to the south. And then we look at the European. Here it is, 1 a.m. And here's the 540 line. The European has it maybe a mix of rain, because the 540 line is to the north of New Jersey. And then we go to 10 a.m. Monday, and it's raining and it's starting to pull out. All right, now we're going to go to the pattern. It's for February 19th to the 23rd. Okay, let me see if I can get there. Miles of good agreement, and indicating a strong ridge here over the North Pacific, trough here in the west, and we'll have energy riding over this ridge, reinforcing this. And we have a ridge over the western Atlantic with a southwest flow and above normal heights in the east. Miles of good agreement. Now we're going to take a look at the period for February 22nd to the 26th. Here we're at the 22nd, and then we go to the 26th. Pattern doesn't change very much. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast. Forecast anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more, with some anomalies approaching 24 degrees across the northern Rockies. And then we have above normal temperatures for this region here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees, will be near 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the west coast states and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And then we have below normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, we're looking at the period for February 22nd to March 3rd. And you can see the pattern remains generally the same again. We have a ridge here over the Caribbean. Southwest flow at above normal heights in the east. Trough here. We have above normal heights still near the Aleutians. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting little changes in temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the west coast states. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And we have above normal precipitation here. and this would be due to the ridge pumping moist southwest flow across this region. So the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 19th to March 3rd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.